Welcome to the interesting Tabby ruins of the Mcintosh Sugar Works near the historic town of St. Mary's and Crooked River State Park in Georgia. Never heard of Tabby? Neither had I. Tabby construction is a type of concrete that obviously holds up well. The concrete is made by burning oyster shells, which creates lime. The lime is then mixed with sand, ash, water, and broken oyster shells. The sugar mill was built by John Mcintosh in the late 1820s and was producing by 1829. In later years, the mill was used as a starch factory, which produced arrowroot starch. This historic sugar mill was listed in the National Register of Historic Places in 1992. It is free to visit, and access to it is from a small parking area just across the street from the Naval Submarine Base, Kings Bay, and is well worth a visit if you find yourself in this area of Georgia.